everyone, sorry about that. My camera turned off. I probably don't have a lot of video space on my camera. So what I'm going to do is test this off. It's going to have to be in 2 parts. This is what I wanted to show you. This is what's called a Lion cord. It's 112.6 volts outwards on the output. So what I did was I shaved this off here, hooked it up here to one side. I have tape on both sides. And this side here, I know it's hard to see, and sorry, it just falses on me, so sorry about that. I did the same thing with my Westclock smoke alarm about a year and a half ago. Jack Williamson showed me how to do that. I did this one tonight on my own. Luckily, I had an extra one, so this is cool. So there you can see it. I shaved the barrel off that plug there, and so what we're going to do is we're going to test this. I'm going to do it cover on, and then I'm going to put the cover off, and then I'm going to put the cover on. Okay, so it's pretty loud. Hold on, one more time. There. It stays on longer. Okay. Alright. Okay. Wow, okay, wow. Okay, I never did that before. Not complaining. So I'm going to put the cover on. We'll give it another test. Hold on. I'm going to have to put the phone down again one more time. Okay, again, I can't stop that from falsing. Okay. Okay. Alright, we're going to try one more time. Okay, hold on. Okay, there we go. It works. That's loud. Okay, that's the longest it stayed on. Okay, wow. Okay. Okay, cool. So that's a universal smoke signal, model SS200, from 1976. Pretty cool. But I think this unit could be from 77. So, and I like it. It's not as big as okay, still chirping at me. Not as big as I thought it would be, because I've got a small hand. And here's my hand on the unit. So, there you go. That's pretty cool. We know it works. At least I was able to set it off. So anyways, take care. Happy Wednesday, everybody. And I'll try to get this two-parter video posted. Take care. Bye now.